Okay, today we're here with the Eagle cabinet vending machine. What I'm going to show you today is how to fill it. So all you do is turn your key counterclockwise. Take your lid off. You can fill it one of two ways. You can just dump your candy in here. The Eagle machine actually has a nice little handle. You can just lift that globe and hop it off. Just take your candy. Dump it in. Put your globe and hopper back on. Put your lid on. Turn the key clockwise. Do not tighten it too tight. Just go to where you feel some resistance. Go ahead and pull your key out.